Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in home. Let's see what we have on our bulletin board for this week. Of course, we are in week 3 in modules, January 20th to 26th, 2020. We have 2 MLA quizzes and critical thinking essay 3. The image on our bulletin board for this week is the 1933 cover of Time, and on that cover of Time we have a drawing, a picture of Adolf Hitler with a dog in what looks like a summer or spring garden. And he is wearing the SS uniform, the casual brown shirt uniform with the Nazi swastika armband. Okay, that image is fitting because it relates to what we are doing in week 3. Let me click on this now. And we are in week 3. We have a January 26th deadline, but of course you know we have Thursday and Sunday due dates. So do not begin work on January 26th. However, you do have short quotes and block quotes. They are due on January 26th, and remember, you can take quizzes as many times as you like throughout the semester. You do have to submit them on time, but you can take them again until you earn the grade you wish to earn. Okay, back to the critical thinking essay 3. Let's click on it here. And we have critical thinking essay 3, thinking with our eyes. The power of an image to encourage faulty deductive thinking and a false ethos. 1,500 words, 120 points. Again, Thursday and Sunday due dates. Okay, so scrolling through this assignment, we have Adolf Hitler, Time, the March 13th, 1933 cover. It was volume 21, number 11. Here is the cover story, Germany, National Revolution. And the image of Hitler with his dog is somewhat iconic, particularly in the U.S., but also throughout the world, the image of a boy or a man and his dog. And we have some images here. Okay, so we have, click here, we have the overview to this discussion, the discussion rubric, how I grade you, and the requirements for this essay. We have a part 1 due Thursday by 11:59 p.m., 100 points. This is the essay. And we have a part 2, which is the peer evaluations, and you need to respond to 4 of your peers' postings. Because we're writing 10,000 words in this class, please pay attention to the word counts, okay? And the word count up here for the essay, we have it here, 1,000 words. Okay, you have a choice of A for the essay, the prompt for A right here, which I'll let you read, or B, or we have another or here, or C. Okay, I'm scrolling back up to this image here. I'm going to remind you that I'm here in inbox. Please do not submit late assignments without communicating with me and receiving my okay. I'm scrolling back up to the top, clicking on home. I'm going to remind you not to forget our late class policy. It is right here. If you submit work late and you do not discuss that work with me, I will not be able to grade it. So please pay attention to the late policy. We are doing 16 weeks worth of work in just 5 weeks. I'm grading more than 80 essays a week, and we need to have a good reason to submit an essay late. Okay, again, contact me here in inbox if you think you're going to have a late submission. You need to receive my okay. And if you have any questions or concerns, I'm here in inbox. You're never emailing me too much. All right, let's have a good week.